Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ayesha Loves Makeup. Today, I got my Goddess Provisions box in the mail. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Goddess Provisions box for the month of July. I like this box because it's kind of like a self-care box, but with a little twist with little crystals sometimes too. And I like it. It's a cool little box. It's different. So let's dig into the box. But before I do, I'm just going to quickly introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. My name is Ayesha. Welcome. My channel is mostly makeup subscription unboxings, makeup hauls, mystery boxes. If these are things that you guys like, I would say consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and becoming a part of my YouTube family. And if you like my video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel, shows your love and your support for me. Like, comment, subscribe, become a part of my YouTube family. And that's really about it. We're gonna get into this box. Alrighty, so when you open up the box, this is what she looks like this month. I'm super excited to see everything. Alrighty, alright, so we'll start off with this. The card is usually on the bottom, which I love, so you can't like ruin like what you're gonna get. So this is the card. I'm not gonna look, but you guys can see. It tells you everything that's in your card. Let me show you what it looks like. Like, I showed you the sneak peek, but look how cool is like even like the box. Like, love everything. But let's dig in. It says loose tea strainer. If it's a loose tea strainer, why does it smell like tea? Something in here must be tea. Oh, it's this that smells very nice, but we'll get to that. So let's open her up. This is what the box looks like. I need one of these because sometimes the tea comes like loose and like I don't have, like, I love tea, but like all of my stuff is like in the bags. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. Oh my god. Wow. So this was inside of here. So you would put this on your cup like so, and then pour your tea. You could put your loose stuff in here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. This is so cute. Now you guys see, it's the small things like the tea catcher. What's the actual word for this? I wonder if I can look at this without like cheating. Let me like try to look without. So it's called leaf. I'm trying not to look at everything else. Leaf tea strainer. It says this cherry wood strainer is made from food grain stainless steel and embellished with mystical design to delight your spirit. Pour a cup of tea and soak up the magic of herbal allies. Oh my god, this is so cute, guys. It has crystals on it. It has like the moon. It has hearts. It has like plants on here. Oh my goodness. I could cry. If I don't like anything in the box at all, which I know I'm gonna love everything, but I think this is gonna be my favorite thing. I've seen them with other type of tea catchers as well, but this is cute. She cute. Love this. Also, I forgot to mention that every box sold, they plant a tree. How great is this company? Like, I mean, that's amazing. Yeah. So even if you got every single box, they plant a tree, which is amazing. All right. So this is made from cherry wood and food grain stainless steel, which I mentioned. It says, when satisfied, offer the herbs back to the land to nurture new growth. Hand wash and air dry. I love this. Just saying, loves it. And might I mention, I didn't show you guys the bottom of the box, but I love like all like the positive words they put on the bottom of the box. Meditate, self-love, positive vibes, trust, breathe, charge your crystals, manifest your dream life, divine feminine, go to yoga, meditate, self-love. Like these are all things that I love. Like I love yoga, I love meditating, self-love. Oh, I dropped the box, but we'll get that at the end of the video. But that's my first thing. Loves it. Alrighty. So the next thing I got, we'll do this. Let's see. I love how everything is packaged nice, so nothing will come broken. Let's see what this is. This is, it says Chicky Botanica Plant Alchemy Luxe Facial Oil. Oh, okay. Let me smell it. Smells very nice. Now my skin is more oily to combination, but at night sometimes like I will do a little face oil on my skin because in the morning my skin, I feel like my makeup goes on more smoother. I have a soft glow, like, so I do like that. I'm trying to, because it tells you everything on, so the spoilers, it spoils everything, but I'm trying to just look like tunnel vision at the product and not like everything else. So let me block everything else out. It says, Chinky Botanical Plant Alchemy Facial Oil. Conduct a beauty ritual with this alkanet root infused blend of antioxidant and natural rich oils. The unique combo of essential oils merge the essence of pink lotus, oh wow, and ruby to give this formula an extra touch of alchemy. Very nice. Super excited for my second item. I'm so happy. So happy. Alrighty. So what is this thing that smells so amazing? Smells like tea. So this is 100% vegan. Oh, also everything, it's a vegan friendly box as well. So loving everything about the box. 100% vegan, plant-based, and adaptogenic. Alchemy, handcraft, high vibrational, farm to pharmacy. So, but what is this? Collagen booster, dirty rose chai herbal supplement. But how do you use it? This is what it looks like. Herbal supplement, dirty rose chai. Smells like cinnamon to me. Let me read about this. It says, support your hair, nails, bones, and skin with this beautifying brew. It's the perfect synthesis of 100% plant-based collagen, adaptogenic herbs, and spices support digestive ease. So I wonder, I have to research this, so don't come for me. I don't know if I pour this in here, like with the hot, put a little of this in here with the hot water, and then it goes into like a tea mix or something. I don't know. I've never had like a herbal supplement in something like this. So I have to research this before I use it. But very excited. That's what I like about these boxes. You get to try things you never tried before. So I'm super excited for that. It looks like I got a Goddess Provisions makeup bag. I mean, she tiny though. She tiny. And everybody knows Ayesha wears a lot of makeup. Not wears, she carries a lot of makeup and wears a lot of makeup too. So she may be a little too small for me. Maybe to hold maybe like my crystals or something, because she's tiny. But I like the little tassel thing on her corner here. There's nothing inside. It's just an empty black bag. But she's small, so I don't know what I would put in here. Let's see what they say this is for. It says, this mystifying pouch changes colors when you touch it. Wow! It's decorated with alchemist symbols to remind you of your magical mastery. $22 value. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys the prices of everything. The Louvre tea strain was $22. This was $58.
Oh my goodness.
This was $24. Alrighty, how much was the bag? They said a $22 value. So they said this is supposed to change colors. If you look, it's the first thing here, like their bag is black, right on the top. But they said it changes when you changes colors when you touch it. I mean, it's not changes colors when I touch it, but we'll see. I guess it's like a mood ring or something, but very cute. I'm here for it. I like pink and purple anyway, so I'd rather this color anyway. So loving that. And now what's this cool little abstraction? It says Black Obsidian Pyramid. Obsidian energy, psychic protection, bye-bye bad vibes, clearing and cleansing. Mantra, may the darkness be revealed so I can heal. Very nice, very nice. I do have an obsidian crystal, but I don't have an obsidian, what do you call it? Black obsidian pyramid. So this is something different to add to my collection, but I'm here for it. I am here for it. It says the stone formed obsidian pyramid. The stone formed from the rapid cooling of lava. Its healing energy helps illuminate darkened areas of the subconscious to reveal hidden truths. I like that. Here for it. I'm here for it. So that's my next item, which I love. So far, I'm loving everything in my box. We got... Wait, let me see. Is this what I'm smelling? I'm like, here we go. I felt what I was smelling. I don't know if it's this or this. I don't know. They both smell really good. So this is Holy Santo red rose petals. Let me read about this. It says, this herb is sacred to the goddess, known to attract love, enhance beauty, promote harmony, used as desired for spell work, altar magic, culinary concoctions, ritual baths, or sacred charms. Let me open this up and smell it though. Oh, some of it just blew out. Smells just like rose petals, so they look like so. I don't know if I can really show it. Like, very nice. They smell beautiful. So I got that. Super excited for that. And then I also got, it says Oracle Trading Cards, Collector's Edition, Build Your Own Deck, Series 1. So it looks like this. It's 6 cards. Let me open it up and see what they look like. So these aren't tarot cards. They're like oracle cards. So this is what the back of the cards look like. And then it just has like crystals on the back of the card. They tell you what they mean. So it says Oracle cards created by Goddess Provisions. So it has rose quartz. And rose quartz, hold on. Let me see if I can get it. Rose quartz is for self-love and compassion. Then we have smoky quartz, which is for protection. There we go. Then we have amethyst, which is for intuition. Then we have watermelon tourmaline. That's a new one. I never heard of that. That's a heart healing crystal. Then we have citrine, which is for abundance. Then we have aquamarine, which is for courage. This was cute. This was very cute. I'm here for it. I am here for it. So this is what, deck 1, series 1. So they probably have a different series where you could collect you have all the crystals. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. What did you guys think about my box? My Goddess Provisions box for this month. As you guys all know, I love crystals. So I do share some of my crystal subscription boxes on my channel. But like, I'm new to crystals. I don't know like everything about them. So please, as a disclaimer, please do not come for me if I say something wrong. Like, I got a couple of comments where it's like,
well, this crystal's supposed to do that, and this crystal's not supposed to touch this, and blah, 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 blah.
And it's like, nobody here said I was an expert. I'm here because I just love crystals. I want to learn about them. And these boxes are a great way to like learn about them. So this is a friendly channel. So if you don't, you know what the saying goes. If you don't got something nice to say, don't say nothing at all. Because you know what? You'll be blocked and deleted. Bye-bye. So with that being said, I just like it, and I want to share with you guys, because maybe somebody else may like crystals and they're considering getting this box, you know, then they can come on the channel and take a look and see what things that they give us. But I don't need somebody to be here like a goody two shoes, you know, with their nose up, like,
well, this is this and that's that, and da 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 da.
And it's like, ma'am, like, relax yourself, calm down. It's just a crystal box, like, relax. So some people, it's just like, I feel bad. I honestly and truly, I feel bad for some people, because it's like, they have nothing better to do than to come on to somebody else's YouTube channel and start drama. But like, I'm the happiest person in it, and I'm not gonna let anybody ruin my day. So, but just as a disclaimer, I'm new to crystals, as I said in all my other boxes, but I'm just very curious about them. I just started collecting hardcore more this year. So like, that's why I got the boxes. It's in all fun. Like, life is too short to be so angry, people. Calm down, relax. Just crystals. Alrighty, so but with that being said, if you guys like my video for today, give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe, show love to your girl, and
I'm about to do my Bath and Body Works haul. I got some candles. Your girl loves candles. She loves her candles. I got them on sale. 70% off for the semi-annual sale.
So if you guys want to see what candles I got from Bath and Body Works from the sale, then watch my next video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.